Samsung is set to reveal the Galaxy S24 series in a few days. They haven't been able to keep a lid on the leaks. We already have an idea of what the upcoming phones will look like and what their specs are. Over the weeks, many software features of these phones have also been leaked. Now promotional materials have surfaced that give us all the details we need to know. Even Blass, a known leaker, has shared high-quality images that provide a sneak peek into the features Samsung has in store for its users. One highlight of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its Galaxy Eye capability. The promotional materials boldly proclaim Galaxy Eye is here, indicating that this will be one of Samsung's selling points for enthusiasts. Amongst its standout features is Circle to Search with Google. This innovative circle functionality allows users to search for any image, video, or text on their screen without having to take screenshots. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, users can simply circle, highlight, scribble, or tap on what they're curious about and seamlessly obtain results. Another exciting AI-powered feature introduced by Samsung aims to redefine communication, which is Translate. This innovative feature provides translation of phone calls into the languages supported by the device, effectively eliminating language barriers in no time. Live Translate allows users to engage in conversations confidently regardless of the language, making it a valuable tool for global communication. Another feature comes with an AI feature called Note Assist. This feature aims to revolutionize note-taking by automating tasks like summarizing, formatting, and even translating notes. Note Assist promises to be a game-changer for productivity and organization, offering solutions for managing information overload and generating summaries. Although the leaked information doesn't provide camera details, it does mention that the promotional materials have extensively covered the camera system in a release. The camera system of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to bring upgrades in nightography, boasting a 200-megapixel camera, 8K video recording capabilities, and an impressive 100x space zoom feature. These enhancements indicate a photography and videography experience for users who prioritize imaging capabilities on their smartphones. In conclusion, leaked materials suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series will not offer powerful hardware, but also advanced AI features. Samsung's focus on Galaxy Eye shows their dedication to providing users with an intelligent mobile experience. As we approach the release date, tech enthusiasts worldwide are eagerly anticipating exploration of these features, witnessing the next evolution of Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series. Meanwhile, in news, there has been a leak unveiling the anticipated software of the upcoming Galaxy S24. It appears that the S24 lineup will be the phones to come with One UI 6.1 pre-installed. If these leaks hold true, users can expect an experience on these devices, potentially making them Samsung's most seamless phones yet. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, who shared a video showcasing the animation's One UI 6.1 has brought about improvements in animation frame rates. In order to enhance power efficiency, Samsung is said to have eliminated the background blur effect. Moreover, they have made enhancements to background scaling animation by introducing linear scaling, a feature fans have long requested, and improved wallpaper scaling as well. All these changes contribute to a level of animation smoothness that surpasses iOS. When closing apps, there is now an elastic effect in the animation that scales back the app window to its icon on the home screen. Additionally, when opening and closing apps, from the home screen, user interface fluidity and smoothness are greatly enhanced without any noticeable drops in frame rate, a common occurrence on older Samsung smartphones. While still maintaining its status as a rounded flagship phone, what sets apart the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its advancements in system fluency and animations. Now for those excited, we're going to run through the full specs, design, and the price for each model in this 24 series to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Now for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this, so just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe button for future updates too. Now we'll get right into it. The standard Galaxy S24 is coming with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panels protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto, and of course it's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Canada and USA. while rest of the countries worldwide are going to be getting the Exynos 2400. We get 8 gigs of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 gigs storage, and this is going to be a UFS 4.0. It comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, and while having a 25 watts fast charging. We do know that we're getting 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $850 to $900, and that's going to be in February 2024. Now next up, we've got the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel, and again protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies, then on the rear again, it's a 50 megapixels primary, a 12 megapixels ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Canada and USA, while rest of the countries worldwide are going to be getting the Exynos 2400, and again, we get 12 gigs of RAM, then the choice of 256 or 512 gigs storage, which will be UFS 4.0. It comes with a 4,900 mAh battery, while having 45 watts fast charging, and again we get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $1,050. Now finally, we've got the most premium, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With this 24 Ultra, we got a 6.8 in 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It's got a resolution of 3088 by 1440, and again, it's using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies, then on the rear it's a 200 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra wide, we get a 50 megapixels 5 times, as well as a 10 megapixels 3 times telephoto zoom. Despite previous rumors it's going to be powered up by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all regions, and it's only this 24 and this 24 Plus that is still going to be using the Exynos, and with this 24 Ultra, we get up to 12 gigs of RAM with the choice of 256, 512, and 1 terabyte of storage. And this is of course UFS 4.0. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, and while having 45 watts fast charging, and we're also going to get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with more strength and much brighter display, on top of upgraded hardware and lots of new AI features. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all models of the Ultra feels like a good move from Samsung, and with upgrades across the whole lineup, it should see plenty of success. Now, because of the similarities to the predecessor, though it's probably not going to make anyone with an S23 Ultra rush for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older S phone or looking to get their first S phone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now, of course, being so close to launch, more and more details are going to continue to come in, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they do. While still maintaining its status as a rounded flagship phone, what sets apart the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its advancements in system fluency and animations. So, how do you like these new features of the upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.